Hi darlings, so today I'm going to be showing you the NYX Fat Lip Drip Oils, and as you can see I have a bunch here, so I'm going to put them in this, and ta-da! So I actually also bought this holiday set. It was the NYX Fat Lip Oil holiday set from the Home Alone collaboration. I'm gonna return this though because I already have 2 of the shades. So the 3 shades that are in this are Splash of Cream, Newsfeed, and Missed Call. I think the only one I don't have is Missed Call, and I decided to return it because I don't need the other 2 shades. And I didn't know what shade was going to be in here because they were supposed to be mystery shades. So that's why I didn't know what shade I was going to get. And as you can see, it right here, it says like mystery shade. But I did get a good deal on them. They were from Macy's. But anyhow, I'm going to show you the other ones that I do have. So right now I have Sprinkle, and as you can see it's like a cool neutral color, and it also does look glossy and nice. But let's go back to Sprinkle. So here it is, it's Sprinkle, and that's what the color looks like on the outside. And let me put on another layer to show you what it really looks like. So here's a fresh coat of Sprinkle, and it's supposed to be a deep muted rose. I guess I can kind of see the pink in it, and I do like this color, so I would definitely recommend Sprinkle. And since it was in that gift set, it probably is a popular color as well. And I'll show you what it looks like on my arm. So as you can see, it kind of is pinky, but it also leans a bit towards brown. Next up is Splash of Cream. This is supposed to be a honey nude color, so I'm guessing like more brown tones. And let's see if nude actually kind of looks nude for my skin tone. So that's Splash of Cream, and it definitely does look a bit lighter than the last color. I will swatch it on my arm for us to compare. So that's actually funny because it does look darker than the other one, but for some reason I feel like when I see it on my lips it looks lighter, but that could just be me. This color is called Scrollin, and this is supposed to be a light brown color. And it's also supposed to be a bit translucent. And that is... I don't really like this color, to be honest. I think it looks kind of orangey on me, but like the light brown just doesn't sit well for some reason on me. I feel like the undertones are just kind of weird. I don't know what it is, but then again, it could be the lighting, but I just don't like this color on me. But either way, I will show you the arm swatch. So this is the arm swatch. And as you can see, like it does look really orangey. I definitely prefer those 2 colors over Scrollin. Now we have the color That Chic, and this is a translucent plum color. It does look really dark, and for some reason, even though it's supposed to be like purple, it does look kind of brownish. I don't know why. Maybe it's like a purpley brown, or like... what's the word for it? I don't know. So despite it looking really dark in the packaging, I actually really like this. I think it looks good on my skin tone. And that's the look on my face. Now going back to my arm swatches, you can swatch it right here. So it doesn't look brownish actually. It looks kind of purple, red, pink. I don't know, it's kind of like a mix of everything, but I definitely would say like this is okay, and I still hate the previous color that we did. We have status update. So this is also brown, but this is a dark translucent brown instead of Scrollin, which was a light brown. So let's hope this is better. It really kind of does look like chocolate though. Like if this were chocolate, I would eat it. And that is status update. So I do definitely like this more than Scrollin. I think the color looks a lot better on me, but it is a little dark for me, I guess I would say. So not completely loving it, but it's okay. But back to the drawing board of my arm. I'll do it next to our previous shade so you can really see how dark that one is. And then I'll swatch a little under Scrollin. So that's it next to Scrollin as well. I couldn't really get it that well. But I think the color is okay. It's just not my vibe is how I would describe it. But it is okay. It's not terrible. We have Newsfeed. So this was the other color that was also in this set. So the only color that I don't have here is Missed Call. And this is a red color. So the color description of this one is translucent raspberry. So this is Newsfeed, and overall I'd say it's okay. This is what the color looks like. It's not really like bright red like it looks like in this packaging, but it still looks decent overall. And let's do the arm swatch. So it looks a lot more red and bright when it's on my arm, but it doesn't look as bright when it's on my lips. It looks still more on the translucent side. But overall, I do like this and I would keep it. And finally, it's the clear version, which is called My Main. And that makes sense why it's my main, because it's clear. And I'm not gonna do an arm swatch because it's literally clear. So I'll just show you what it looks like. And that's my main. It does look pretty chill and like natural. It's not super intense like a glossy gloss, but it definitely gives lip oil vibes. So now that we've tried everything on, overall I'd say like some of these shades are nice and then some of them are just like complete messes. If you look at my arm swatch over here, I'd say like I really like that one and like maybe one of those. Like I would get those for sure, but then the other ones I'm not 100% on. And these aren't the only shades that they sell. I know there's other shades that they sell, so maybe I'd have to take a look into the other shades. But with the shades I was gifted by NYX, these are what I feel about them. But that's like my review on the colors themselves. And as per how like the lip gloss looks and the lip gloss feels, so these aren't lip glosses, they're called lip oils. They don't like I feel like sometimes lip oil you would think it looks more like greasy or like glowy. I don't think it looks like that. It just looks pretty natural, but the formula itself is kind of thick. Like it's not lightweight like an oil. Like maybe that was because I was putting it on a bunch of times, but like I can definitely feel like I'm putting something on my lips. But the color buildup itself, I like how some of them were really buildable. Like if you put on more layers, you could see more color on your lips. So overall, I would give these like a 3 out of 5. Like, yeah, I might buy 1 or 2 shades, but I don't think I would buy every shade from this collection. So let me know what you think of these NYX Fat Lip Drip Oils in the comments and what products you want me to review next. Bye!